Everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about the callbacks, okay, in JavaScript. So I have prepared the notes for you guys, so you don't need to think about the notes and what is going to be. Just listen and practice, okay. So callback is simply a function passed as an argument to another function, which then call later either synchronously or asynchronously. Meaning, see, you have two functions here. Say hello. Okay, let me go to the code. Okay, we have a function say hello and greet, and this greet function is taking say hello as an argument. Okay, and it is executing. Okay, callback can be executed synchronously and asynchronously. Okay, we will see how it's going to be executed. Okay, I'm opening the debugging mode. Okay, you can choose this one, JavaScript debugging tunnel. I already chosen. Now let me execute this code for you. Node. Okay, now see the control flow first came to the greet function. You can see local variables and call stack. Observe that also. Okay, now see it is came into the greet function and it is taking see hello as an argument. Okay, so actually this is the callback. Okay, see here in the local variables you can see callback is attached to say hello function. Okay, and you can just keep your mouse here, then you also see this one. See, this is the callback. Okay, arguments, name, say hello. Okay, everything. And the say hello function is taking another argument called name, so I'm just declaring the variable here, and then it is calling this function. This is a synchronous operation, that's fine, not stopped anywhere. Just go into the control flow and print it. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let us see one asynchronous callback function also. Okay, this is the asynchronous function. If you see, this is the fetch data, and it is taking a display data as a callback. It is because of this is the timer, okay, which is making this function as asynchronous. Okay, it will execute after 2000 seconds. Okay, because of this is asynchronous function, it will not stop the execution of the next line of the code in it. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, first I call fetch data with the display data as an argument, which is a callback we're talking about. Okay, and fetch data, and this is the timer. This is asynchronous function, so it will don't stop execution of the other code. That's why it is came here. So asynchronous execution of see synchronous execution is printed, and now 2000 seconds is over. Now it going inside the function, which is also a callback, guys. After 2000 seconds, the associated callback is this one. Actually, this is anonymous function, arrow function. We'll talk about this arrow functions later. Okay, it is executed, and then the callback which is inside it, okay, our callback which we passed is executing. So it is coming to the display data, and then it is displaying our data. Okay, this is about synchronous and asynchronous execution of the callbacks. The callbacks are so important that you see in a Node.js is a single threaded. Okay, Node.js is a single threaded, so to handle whatever the events, so it is based upon the event driven architecture. Whatever the events is happen, so for each and every event, there is a callback is registered for it. Okay, like in a real-time common use cases, you see the event listeners in a front end. If you see button click mouse overs, those are all the events. So each event we register a callback. Okay, when the event is happened, this callback will be triggered. Okay, in similar fashion for the timers you have seen. So you can see similar kind of patterns for the promises, database calls, all things we will register some callback. Okay, but there is one problem with using this callback. Let's suppose say the callback, see the second callback is depends upon the first callback, and third callback is depends upon the second callback. Then we have to write inside of it. Okay, so get data, sorry, process data is depends on get data, so it is written inside of it. The same fashion save data also. So this in this version we make the callbacks as nested. Okay, when the callbacks are nested heavily, then it is very hard to read and maintain. It will be the great problem. We call it as callback hell. Most of the interviews these guys ask, what is a callback hell? How you will resolve that callback hell? This is the common question asked in most of the interviews. Every interview, mostly they will ask. So I will tell you how to deal with this callback hell in the next video. Okay. Thank you for listening, guys.